All right, guys, I'm back over here playing the slot machines. We're going to play Eureka Treasure Train. And this is the jackpots. I'm going to start off on 10 cents. We need 6 of the dynamite and 3 of the Eureka. All right, we're going to start off at $3. Let's hope we get it real soon. Turn the sound up some. Oh, $5. Nice. All right, guys, let's do it. Let's do it. 3 of those gives us the free spins, or we can pick the feature, the dynamite feature. These gold nuggets are wild. There you go. Dynamite's kind of blocked me, but still won a little bit. Come on, 6 dynamites would be nice. 4 more. Come on. Let's do it. $1.60. So you kind of see what we're getting here. 3 more. Oh, that would be nice. Come on, we need something really nice here. Come on, one more. Oh, that would have been good. I would love to get the free spins or the feature. 2 again. We need 3 of those. All right, machine, cooperate with us. We need 3 of those treasures, mines. Going pretty quick. Oh, come on. 4 more. 4 more dynamites. We need a big line hit. We need something here special. Wow. All those wilds with nothing. 2 more. Oh. I'd love to show you guys the bonus. Come on, guys. Let's do it. Wow. Nothing is lining up. Nothing is lining up. Let's hope we get them. All right, let's go to nickel. See if this helps us any. Nickel's $1.50. Come on, 1 bonus, please. We've gotten plenty of the treasures, 2 several times. We need 3. Come on. Come on, game. Be nice to us. Wow. Want our money back. Free spin. 4 more. Well, we're getting down to the end of it, guys. We don't get luckier. Alright, guys. Finally got the bonus. So you can see here, we could either take the 5, the dynamite feature, or the wild bonus. Wild bonus. You know what? I'm gonna get the dynamite feature this time. Next one, if we get it again, I'm gonna get the 12 free spins. So let's hope we win a good amount, guys. Come on.
Eureka!
So we gotta get them to build up big blocks of this. Come on, fill it up. We got to get 1 or 2 at least on some spins. 1 more. Come on, fill it up, please. We got 2 spins left. Fill up those first 2 would be nice. Come on, fill that other one up. You can fill that one up in the middle. That would be nice. Come on, fill it up, please. Yes. All right, so made that a little bigger. So now we get 40. We can get up to 40 cards for major available, but all that means is we could get up to the major, but we're not guaranteed anything. So this train comes across, drops money on us. There you go, that's $20. We need some big numbers. When you see the red or green numbers, those are usually bigger. Now it said we get up to 40. There's 625. Come on, keep it going, guys. Come on, where's our big numbers? Come on, give us some big. Oh, these are all baby numbers. $3. Come on, give us one big one. That's a little bit better. I'd love to see $100 one. That would be amazing. Right now we're at $55, guys. We need more than that. A lot more than 55. There you go. Nice. Come on. Come on. Come back with one more. If they come back with another card, then we get one of the jackpots. No. So we got 38 out of 40 cards. Let's see what it gave us. Like $80. We need it. Started with 100. $87.20. So we're basically about $4.50 down. All right, let's do a couple backups. Maybe we'll get it again. One more. That would have been nice. The next one, if I get it, I'm going to take the free spins. How's that? Wow. There's a special dynamite. One of those dynamites either give us the wider screen or 2 screens. Come on. Give us, 3 more. Wow. It'd be nice to get the 6 dynamites, so it would be really awesome. 4 more. Even a good line hit would be nice. A little bit. Come on, guys. We're $16 down. We need another bonus. Accidentally stopped you guys. Sorry about that. It is not giving us the dynamite. Maybe we'll get the treasures again. Come on. 2 more. Let's see here. Let's go back to 10 cents. Hope we get something. Or one more. Oh, that would have been nice, guys. We almost had it. That would have been a really special bonus. Nah, we were going to get it. We'll take the free spins. Come on, 2 more. 2 more would have been good. All right, come on, let's get the bonus here. 2 again. We need 3. Come on, 2 more, 2 more. Come on. Wow, dynamite is so hard to get. So hard. All right, I'm gonna switch to penny. Let's go to $1.20. Hope we get it. Wow. I was hoping to get the bonus one more time. Let's see if we can do it, guys. We haven't even came close to the dynamite yet. We only, I think, a few times we got 5, but we need 6 or more. Wow. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, Dynamites. Why are you doing this to me? All right, let's hope we can get it here. The last spins. We could have stopped when we got it to 85, but I wanted to see if we could get another bonus. So far, it hasn't happened. I was hoping to get the dynamite bonus once, but no bueno. Wow. Come on, free spins. Where are you at? All right, about 5 more spins, guys. 3 more. There's our 3 we needed before. Come on, 2 more. So close. All right, guys, about 3 spins. Oh, geez. Of course, barely missed it. Wow. All right. We gotta play 2 spins of it. All right, guys, that's it. We didn't have any luck, but the game was fun. We got 1 bonus. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Eureka Treasures Train. Maybe we'll get them next time. Please like the video and please subscribe. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.